What is up, guys? My name is Senpai and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about quick short-term profit. Now this video is inspired by a question that I got asked a couple of times from one of my good friends who plays with me, Crash. He plays in our clan. He's from Ace 5. So I thought I'll explain a little bit of how short-term profit would work in something such as CSGO, where a lot of these things don't really exist in real life, and these are kind of virtual skins, right? So because of that, you can't really predict a lot. However, there's something basically that you can predict. So in this video, I'm going to explain that. And before I start with the video, I would like to suggest, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get to know when I post these videos up for you. Otherwise, YouTube will not show you when I make these videos and publish them up for you. So if you're interested in this kind of content, consider subscribing to the channel. And of course, as always, smash that like button, guys. Let's talk about creating some short-term profit opportunities by investing into CSGO skins, cases, and much more. Now, guys, I'm going to give you a ton of examples with the price graphs from the Steam market, as well as I'm, of course, also going to give you the backstory as always and give you the reasoning behind these decisions and these things. So stay tuned, and more or less, I think you'll get a ton more ideas as you listen to me talk in this very video. So when we talk about short-term profit, we are looking at a couple of things. We are looking at price-based fluctuations, but there's a way to predict a huge fluctuation in price, usually a 30 to 40% drop in prices. You can predict that. You can predict that more or less even 6 months in advance if you know what to look at. So we are going to look at the play skins and we are going to look at cases at the same time. So guys, first let's understand how the CSGO economy works. Pretty quick. People put in money, they buy some skins, or maybe they open a case, they get a knife, they sell that knife and buy a ton of skins, and also invest using that money that they earned from selling that knife, right? So that's how it is. A lot of times when something new comes up, and maybe it's not Christmas, people are not going to put more money in. A casual gamer who just wants good skins to play with is not going to put more money in. They might want to buy, let's say, 10 RMR sticker capsules that just got launched. So they're not going to put in $10. What they're going to do is they're going to look into their inventory. They're going to go through their drops. They're going to go through the skins that they have that they might not like as much now. Maybe they've been playing with that skin for a year. So what they're going to do is they're going to sell a lot of that up to get the money to buy those new capsules. So what happens whenever something new is launched is there is a huge dip in a couple of categories of items. And those categories are, number one, the most usual play skins in the most usual category, which is the field tested. Most of the people, I'll even kind of go to the extent of saying 90% of the people actually play with field tested skins and not factory new skins. Most of these skins are extremely cheap. Like, good skins are cheap in the field tested condition. So most of the people play with field tested condition skins. So if you look at these play skins and you look at their field tested graphs, you'll know that. And I also show you a couple of field tested graphs as well in a minute, by the way. And also we look at two types of cases. One is the current drop pool based cases, which become more or less kind of long-term investment. But then there are those kind of cases which are called as rare or confirmed rare drop cases, which don't really drop as often. So those are the cases, and the play skins are kind of your money-making opportunity. And the fastest of those is going to be the confirmed rare drop case, in my opinion. I'll show you the graphs and I'll prove my point in a second here. All right, guys, I'll start with the longest and, in my opinion, one of the best investments. This is the graph of the Cato 2019 sticker capsules. And the drop that you can see right in the center is the drop that happened when the RMR sticker capsules were launched. Now, 2019 Cato was the last major that happened, right? The next major is 2021. So there was no major in 2020. So this capsule holds a lot of value, and that drop is your buying opportunity for the long term. So this is definitely a long-term opportunity. So I'm going to go from long. Next, I'm going to move to the cases which are currently dropping, and then I'll move to kind of the rare drop and the play skins. So this, in my opinion, is something that you should hoard. I am hoarding these as well. I think in the long run, stickers like Navi, and I'm talking about legends, right? So Navi players, simple. It's Boomich, Flamey, or Zaivu, for example, from other teams. Gold stickers are going to be extremely expensive and extremely rare. So this is definitely one of the capsules that you can hoard. And this price drop happened when a new capsule came out. And by the way, it's just a coincidence that I'm talking about capsules. When anything new comes up, new skins, new operation, you can see the same trend happening on 3rd of December when the Broken Fang operation was launched. A lot of the old stuff kind of dipped in price quite a bit that day because people started selling their existing skins and whatever they had in their inventory to buy the Broken Fang pass. So guys, let's talk about the 3 cases which are currently dropping. The Danger Zone case, the Broken Fang case, and the Clutch case respectively. This is the Danger Zone graph. The case graph fell. I think this is definitely a great long-term investment. Since it's in the current drop pool, it will take a lot of money, a lot of time for it to come back. So this is the price graph of the Broken Fang case. Since it's dropping, it's never going to go as high until and unless the operation is done for, right? So this will go up quite a bit once the operation is done, but you can see the same dip. On the same date, you can see the Clutch case have almost a 30% dip. So if you were smart enough and you were investing for the long term, you'd invest in Clutch case because you've got a 30% drop. That's a ton of quick profit, guys. Now let's talk about the play skins. Opatheris field tested, same graph. It might take a few months. Phantom Disruptor AK-47 field tested. Same goes for the M4A4 Tooth Fairy field tested. It might take a couple of months for the graph to come back where it was, but this is a drop that you'll see. So if you're planning for a kind of a play skin and there's something new that is going to be launched soon in CS, that's the day it launches, or kind of a couple of days is the time when you buy it. Now let's move to the real quick profit, which is the confirmed rare cases, because confirmed rare cases such as Spectrum case will also see that very drop on the day something new is launched, as you can see in the graph right here. The reason something such as a Spectrum case recovers within a day, by the way, is because people realize, damn, this case went kind of, it dipped down in price. I can make instant profit, or I can make a good long-term investment. So a ton of people are going to buy, a ton of smart people are going to buy immediately within the next 2 days. A case such as Spectrum case has great knife finishes. It has great red skins, and it has a couple of great purple skins as well, right? So cases like this, which are also rare drops, the moment that they experience this kind of fluctuation in their price because of something new coming out, is the day you should buy them as much as you can, in the quantity as much as you can, because they are not going to stay low for that long. And that is your 2-day quick 30 to 40% profit opportunity in CSGO, guys. So when 2021 major hits, or rather when the sticker capsules are announced and they become available to buy in the CSGO market, that's the time when you should, of course, buy the 2021 sticker capsules, but you should also buy a ton of confirmed rare cases, because people are going to sell those to buy those new capsules. And that's the time you should be putting your money in to make that quick buck. And of course, as always, guys, if you have questions, do let me know and share them with me in the comments below. Those are my thoughts on making quick profit and medium-term profit and long-term profit in CSGO investing. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. as well, and make sure to share the video with your friends as well, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys next time. This is Senpai signing off.